have my older brother, Joshua, and this is Can and Quesadilla! This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if their ingredients can or can't quesadilla! This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. We have a suggestion by our art teacher, Miss Coons. Thanks, Miss Coons! So Andrew, what we have today is apple pie filling, vanilla frosting, and cheddar cheese. What Miss Coons was trying to mimic was a food people eat in the southern part of the United States, which is a pie or an apple pie with... Well, we're not eating apple pie, we're eating quesadillas. Does this look like pie crust to you? Well, I mean, a little bit. What the heck? Yeah, Great job, Andrew. That never happened. Okay, well, the reason it's quesadilla is because this is Can It Quesadilla. And that's official, everyone. It's official, folks. Back to what I was saying. Yes. She was trying to mimic a food people eat in the southern part of the United States, which is a apple pie with cheddar cheese. Since this is a quesadilla and it gets hot, obviously, because cheddar cheese. This is mild cheddar. Mild cheddar. It's the same thing, Andrew, just mild. It's mild. Anyways, since this is a quesadilla and it gets hot, we're gonna use vanilla frosting so that it replicates the ice cream. This is gonna be good. Actually, now that I think of it about it, warm apples. Actually, yeah, because in pies, the apples are usually warm. So I mean, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Let's cook. So first, we're gonna preheat the skillet, and as usual, I'm gonna add butter to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting. Oh, flipped. Okay, we're gonna grab that butter, spin it around with that tortilla, bring it around town. Hey, Joshua, ow. Time to bring in the milled. Wait, what's milled? It's milled cheddar. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put a handful of cheese on. Andrew's the cheddar boss. Cheddar? Well, not in this video. I'm the milled cheddar. Sure. There you go, milled cheddar. We're putting the apples on first. Let's not put them all on because I always put way too much on and then it's just too much. Oopsie. Ooh, that sounded weird. It sounds so good. Let's put a good amount on there. Yum. ASMR. Oh, just spread it around so that there's room to actually fold this. Butter knife into Wait, did you use that for the butter? No. I threw it away. This is frosting, right? Yeah. Okay, frosting. Okay, now we're gonna put frosting. I can't put it on the other side with no. Yeah. Ooh. This is not going well. This is very hard to spread. I mean, it's spreading. So. It is spreading because it's been melting, but just get more. Here, I'll take over. No, it's melting. And you got to do the apples. And they look like peaches to me. Just get this to melt. Oh yeah. They smell like apple pie. Yeah. Spread it on the other side. No. You said other side. Okay, I guess my arm is getting crimped. Let's find my spatula, Mr. Spatula, and here he is. Okay, so let's fold this. There we go. Yum. I probably just smushed all of that out. Actually, I didn't. Yummy. Good. Go watch our past videos. They're good. What's that? I got it. Okay, I'm gonna check because the frosting's definitely gooping out a lot. So, yeah. No. I think it's got a minute or so left. Check it time. We're gonna check it because the frosting spread like halfway through the
Oh,
pan.
it looks like a heart from your guys'
It's
angle.
escaping. Now I'm gonna break the heart. This is my heart when you guys don't subscribe.
Subscriber will be heartbroken.
Alright, I'm gonna check it because it's been a minute or two or less. Finally, it's ready to flip. Oh! Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Stuck to the pan for a second. I can't turn it. Just Oh no.
The pressure's on.
Damn. Oh wait, no, I'll just pick it up and turn.
Yeah. Ooh, apple pie coming out.
What is that? Oh no, I was like, is that crusted apples?
Is that Winnie the Pooh?
You're Winnie the Pooh.
Where's the honey?
The honey is in our third video, Honey and Fun Dip. Go watch it. Go watch it. Go watch it. Go watch it. Some stuff about Miss Coons is she was our art teacher, and I always had a blast in her class because I love drawing and painting and art, and I just love art in general. And one thing we did is we drew ourselves with charcoal. It was a charcoal drawing of ourselves, and mine looked nothing like me, but it was actually a pretty good drawing. And we framed it. It's in my room, just sitting up on a wall. It was really fun.
One of my favorite things was, well, it was pretty much before we had to do online school. It took us like a couple weeks to do this. We did this paper thing. We draw lines and then draw certain things. Like I draw A for Andrew, and then there's a certain pattern of shapes that would be your age. Then we folded them and then cut them out so they were like masks, and then we decorated them. Mine was probably the most decorated in the class. It was crazy. It had like hair, it had feathers, it had beads, it had eyebrows.
Oh, I think your explanation has taken up.
It had a unicorn horn.
Let's check this because usually the other side only takes a minute.
A minute? Really?
Yep, that's done. This is gonna be hard to clean up, Andrew. Very
We
hard.
just don't have any more big plates for the quesadilla, so we're gonna use a smaller one.
It's dripping.
Put it on!
Let's review.
Ooh.
Hey guys, we're here with the review with our dad. So we're gonna cut this crazy looking quesadilla. Yum.
This does look crazy. It smells amazing though. What do we have and who suggested it?
Miss Coons, our art teacher, suggested.
And what it is a apple pie. What was the?
It was apple pie, vanilla frosting, and cheddar.
Oh wow, that sounds awesome.
Sounds amazing.
Ooh, yum.
It's pretty hot, but I think we could probably bite into it. It'd be like a warm apple pie. That suggestion is
It's
interesting.
sticky.
It's probably
This is
it's
pretty
very
much
hot.
just a pie. So we let it cool down a little bit. Now we're gonna eat this amazing looking quesadilla.
Here's the looks of it.
Mine kind of looks like an animal.
A little bit. Kind of looks like a lion. It's got a lion's mane up with the apple sticking out like a lion.
Mine looks
Lion-adilla.
like a quesadilla that I want to put in my mouth.
Yeah, this one it does look like a delicious quesadilla.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. It's gonna be yum.
Apple pie, so good. It's mostly in this. The cheese goes really good with that bacon quesadilla.
Mm-hmm.
If a restaurant made this at their restaurant, I would instantly rate that restaurant a 5-star. This
Wow.
can quesadilla.
I was really excited about this quesadilla because I've never had the apple pie with cheese on it. I've heard about it. I know they eat it in the South. I think they also eat it in Wisconsin. I'm not sure. And I almost always put ice cream on my apple pie because if you ever learn anything about me is that I love ice cream. I can't ever say no to ice cream. If someone says, we have this pie, do you want ice cream? I'll say, yes, absolutely. I want ice cream on this pie. And if you say, we have this meatloaf and you want ice cream on it? I'll say, yeah, absolutely put ice cream on my meatloaf. Because I want ice cream. If I could eat ice cream 24 hours a day, every day, that's all I'd eat. Because it's the greatest invention, maybe other than the internet, in human history. The vanilla frosting did supplement the ice cream flavor a lot.
I do need to say one thing to you.
Please.
You like the ice cream, right? You
Yeah,
can have
I
it
love
on
ice cream.
anything.
I love ice cream.
Ice cream can't go with everything.
Nope.
But you could put almost everything in a quesadilla, so.
Well, we're finding out that pretty much everything can quesadilla because one of us likes everything. Here's what you do when you find a food that ice cream doesn't go with. Get the ice cream and get rid of the other food. And then it can go with your dinner because it is dinner.
Life problem solved.
This can absolutely quesadilla. I needed to get there. I wasn't getting there.
Yeah.
This can quesadilla.
If you want to make a midnight snack, I would just grab this. I would just do this. And if your stove's super loud, just don't even use the stove. Like, I mean, it would be perfectly fine like that.
Yeah, but there's something about that crispiness of the quesadilla.
And I think
It
it's
really
the
adds to it.
resemblance of the pie. Really good.
I couldn't tell the difference between this and a pie. So stock up on apple pie filling. Cans of it. It lasts forever, right? It's non-perishable, I guess. Put it in your cabinet, and anytime you want a midnight snack, make a quesadilla full of apple pie.
It's cute. You are like my only art teacher, and you're my favorite one because you're the only art teacher in the school. And I got one thing to say. You made my new favorite. Thank you.
Andrew's new favorite quesadilla. Nice job.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Suggest quesadillas and ingredients down below, please. And we'll see you next time on Can Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.